and then there is like a facial analysis, and then again let's try this one. And then it just again takes time to analyze this. So now you can see your characteristics: undertone, eye shape, skin type, and then you can see eye shape, and you can see some makeup tips. So here, like, and then also you can see some product recommendations. So yeah, quite advanced. And then you can also see skin tone. So yeah, that's the idea. So as you can see, and then there is like a lot of makeup guides, step-by-step guides. So pretty advanced app, I would say. So that's what you see. So as a conclusion, you see analysis for a facial analysis, for glow up guide, and for color analysis. So just like 3 options. Again, you need to upgrade to do that. Also, you can just use invite code. So feel free to use my invite code. I shared it somewhere in the beginning of the video. You can always go and delete the results, but you still need to be upgraded. It's not gonna delete your like paid scan. So that's basically the app. I think it's one of the best apps right now for the girls to do like Umaxing, looks maxing, whatever. For the guys, there are like 100 apps. I don't know, like for the girls, it's much less apps. So that's what it is.